Our job is to load and unload ships. So we take it off a ship onto a quay or onto a lorry or onto a tractor, or we take it from the quay side, put it onto ships. So it's mainly bulk cargo. So we got aggregates, scrap metal, fertilizers, animal feeds, grain, cereals, cement, gypsum rock, do a bit of everything really. Software we had before, it hadn't changed in sort of the 10, 12 years that I'd used it. So we've now got a SharePoint which the whole company can all access, everyone can see it. And the old software wouldn't have worked with the SharePoint, with what the company's ambitions were to do. We got in touch with AWM, they came down, we talked about what we needed putting together. As a team between myself, Jana, Graham, Doug, built the software to how we needed it, just to make our life easier, more secure for the information, link it to our SharePoint, do anything we need. And as we developed and got further on the line, we implemented it, and we were designing the system. They were there tweaking, asking questions, helping, giving advice, input. Graham was fantastic, and he still is now. If you need him, he's still there now. So the aftercare has been brilliant as well. They're always on there for support. Graham designed a report printing system for us, which was brand new to him, which was good and quite clever. When we need some information, we can go to the report system and just draw any information we want, and it puts it straight into a spreadsheet that we can print, email for certain customers. What tug you in, Ryan? 9. So T9 for the tug. T9 is now added, automatically puts the haulier in for me. You got a trailer number, so it's trailer 3. Task ID is an accreditation that all the vehicles that carry animal feeds, grain, cereals, have to have this accreditation. We get the option to print or store a ticket. Majority of the time, don't need to print the first ticket because we know that it's coming back. It's then on our in-process box, waiting to be weighed out on the upper bridge.
Before he comes on the bridge, I will check his registration. Then I just go to in-process, and I can see that it's tag 9. And then we can print the ticket. Easy. We needed to export spreadsheet to have a printout for cargo superintendents, and we couldn't export through SharePoint. So jumped in and done the spreadsheet for us.
And any tweaks or improvements or things we didn't need or did need, Jana would just be in contact with Graham, and if he didn't think something would work, he would tell us and say maybe do it this way. They just dial in and do what they need to do. Graham's on the WhatsApp, he's on the phone call, and if he is away, he'll still reply to you on the WhatsApp, but he'll give you the office number and say, I'll phone this number, be able to support you. So he's always willing to put his knowledge into trying to help and solve any issues, and say if it's not him, he'll tell us the right path to go down to get it solved as quickly as we can.